hello, there's Uncle B coming at you again. Then you know it's pipe smoking time. It's pipe smoking time as it is. But today, I'm just gonna be cleaning up a couple of my pipes that I just opened. And my daughter brought my tamper here, so I can open it up, you know, and put out my bowl. And also I have these brushes. I use these brushes also. Very good for cleaning your pipes, okay? And also this right here, that my daughter have up. You got long stem pipes. This thin piece of metal is good to go through and unclog anything, right? But what I like to do, get that in plate. Give me that. This is my daughter's little backpack. She likes for me to keep my tamper in her backpack, and she likes to give it to me when I need it. So, what I like to do is, first I gotta clean it. I gotta take the excess of the herb out of my pipe. Get my earpiece. I'm in my backyard, so you can hear the cars going by. It's a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Oh, let me show you how beautiful the sky is today in Las Vegas. Oh, check that sky out. Isn't that beautiful? It's relaxing. It's beautiful. And the green trees. This is Vegas now. This is Vegas. This is beautiful. Beautiful. So, I'm gonna empty out my my bowl. Scrape around it, empty it out. No, don't need me. So, scrape out my bowl, blow it out, kind of clogged up a little bit. I'm going to take this loose here. Do the same thing to the other one here. I'm going to scrape out the bowl. And these are very like small bowls, so they don't last that long. Maybe about 10 minutes. I get 10 minutes pipe smoking, right? I like to take them loose. I like to take them loose. There we go. Okay, go put this in the garbage can. Wait. Here. Here, okay. Now, carry on, go bring Daddy some tissue. I like to take these different brushes, different brush for different sizes of your pieces. This in here, yeah. So this would go all the way through, right? Then I pull it out. Clear. Anything in there? Oh, it's all done. It's all good. So when I do that, I go to the other side also. Clear. Another mouthpiece. I like to put this tissue inside my bowl, right? Clean out my bowl. Okay. Blow it out. I also like to use a brush for here too. find the right size brush. Right? There you go. This brush here, put it inside. Clear. Clear bowl. Now let me. I can take these two loose here, right? I'm going to church. Here.
I'll just try that.
Yeah, let's try some other time.
No,
Let's try it next time.
why let's try next time?
I don't want your hands to get dirty.
I'm not gonna be dirty, Sally. I'm not gonna be dirty. Please, I want to
Okay, let's see.
Mom, Dad, I want to be sunlit.
Go inside. Go inside. Have it go inside. And now push it here. It's ready clogged. All clear. These brushes work really good. Tissue. Brush a bit. And you can clean these brushes with some palm olive dishwashing liquid. Clean them right up. Oh, clear. Real clear. All the way through. It goes all the way through. Okay? So you know it's clear. Clear there. This piece here. Clear? Yes. Back together. Clear. And I like to do quite a bit now. This bowl here goes all the way in there. Stuff falling out. Stuff that was stuck in there, right? Clear bowl. Clear bowl, right? You can hear it. But then also take some tissue. Put it inside the bowl here. Get it out. Blow it out. Hear that? Put the metal top back on here. Metal top. Put my mouthpiece back on. Clear and clean. Clear and clean. Another one. You can hear it. Clear. Clear. Back together. Oh, good. So that was Uncle B. Cleaning my pipes. And then you know certain things that I use. Some people might use different things, but like I say, if I have a long stem, which I have a piece of thin metal I can push through there just to make sure it's unclogged. I have my different brushes I use. Clean them out. I can also use the brush. Hold up a second. I can use the brush for here.
Hey,
Also.
hey, that's what we got that.
Oh, this one. Hershey bar. My wife bought me for my birthday because she loved, I love chocolate. So my daughter wanted a little bit of it, so I'm gonna give her a little bit. So I broke off her some chocolate. She loves chocolate. No, that's enough. That's it. Here, go take this back. Take that back. Yeah. She loves chocolate just as much as I do. And there are some healthy benefits for chocolate, you know. I'm gonna be coming at you, and you know how I clean my pipes after I finish smoking. And have a great day. If you would be so kind to subscribe to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Yes, sir. Have a great day.